Hi guys, my name is Michael. Welcome to the Hailun factory in the northern part of China in a town called Yingku. As I mentioned in my other video, Hailun has decided to open up this factory in this town because there have been many piano manufacturing companies in this town and there are lots of skilled workers that have been making pianos in this city. Such as the workers who used to work at the Dongbei factory, Baldwin factory. It was a huge factory in Yingku and it was shut down about 7-8 years ago due to several reasons, such as competition. So Hailun has trained these skilled workers in Ningbo and sent them back to this factory here. They're now working in this factory. They started building it about a year ago, and since 6 months ago it's been operational. The first shipment is now ready to ship. Which is a very exciting thing. It takes about 6 months to build one upright piano. I wanted to show you something very cool, the soundboard and the frame of an upright piano, specifically model 121. So this is where they assemble and build the back post and the soundboard and the frame of the piano. Cast iron plate is placed on top of the frame and the soundboard. The strings are assembled and put on. This is a special soundboard for Hailun pianos. It's a solid spruce soundboard covered with a very thin laminate on top. As you can see on the side, there's a very thick layer of solid spruce in the middle, covered by 2 layers of laminate on top and on the bottom. Now, the reason why that's done is to protect the soundboard against humidity and temperature changes. Other pianos that have a solid spruce soundboard, they're not as protective against humidity. Hailun has patented this soundboard as well and called it meniscus, kind of like your kneecap where it's called meniscus. It has a protective layer on it too. So now we're going to move back to the section where they which was really cool for me, where they finally do the assembly of the body and the panel. So once this frame is assembled, the frame and the soundboard gets slided to this section right here. Now in this section, they assemble the frame of the piano, and once that is done, they flip the piano. Unlike other factories, there are workers who try to flip the piano and sometimes damage the piano, or the piano falls. Because it's extremely heavy. Hailun has invented this system right here. It's a hydraulic system where it flips the piano. So this is one example of a finished product. The frame and the side panels are put on, and now we're going to flip it and show it to you. So can you please flip this piano for us? Very easily. Without any damage, any harm, the piano is flipped and it's going to get to that side where we're going to assemble the rest of the parts of the piano. Take care.